my name is Jeff Laborde and I'm with Center. And today I'm going to take you on a brief tour of the Inspire SF5. If you're not familiar with Inspire, it's part of the premium line by Center. Now the Inspire line offers some of the more unique features. What you'll find with the premium Inspire line is you're going to find heavier stacks, larger frames, more substantial frames, and a bigger feature set. But let me take you through this SF5. Now the SF5 is one of our coolest units, and what makes this unit so cool is the fact that it is a functional trainer with a built-in Selectorized Smith Machine. And you'll also notice some other cool little things that we'll get into later. Now one of the nice things about the SF5 is the functional trainer. Now one of the things we did here to make this easier to adjust up and down is we've actually counterbalanced the functional trainer carriages. So I can now move these with one hand. Now, if you're not familiar with a functional trainer, this is one of the best ways to train. It gives you a lot of versatility because not only can you do your exercises on a ball, on a bench, but I can do them standing. Now, if you remember, when we do an exercise standing, we're incorporating a lot more muscles in our body. And let me show you what I mean. If I want to do a chest press, you'll notice right away I'm actually standing. I'm having to brace with my legs, hold my core, my body upright, lift my arms, and now I'm pressing with my chest and my tricep. So I'm working about 80% of my body doing one movement. Now if I do a lot of my exercises standing or holding my body upright without a bench, I'm gonna work my body in a more efficient manner. Now, with the functional trainer, of course, we can move this up and down to pull at different angles and work different parts of the body, but we can also incorporate all of the accessories that come with this product. We not only get the two single handles you see here, we get a straight bar, which allows us to do some barbell work. We also get one of my favorite accessories, the multi-purpose belt, which allows us to do assisted pull-ups, weighted pull-ups. I can do squats, inner outer thigh, all done with this great multi-purpose belt. We get two 5-pound add-on weights, which allow us to go up in lighter incremental weight jumps. We also get an ankle cuff for inner outer thigh work or kicking movements, a tricep rope for abs, triceps, you name it. And lastly is our easy curl bar for tricep, bicep, and you name it. Now, the SF5, you'll also notice we have this entire storage area down below, which is great because you might want to do functional and free weight exercises. So we can use this for kettlebells, dumbbells. We can change even the angles of the rack so we can put different types of accessories right here in this back storage area. Now, who doesn't want a place to put their water? You'll see we've got a great place for our water and of course, a place to put our tablet or smartphone. And don't forget, you're gonna have access to that Center app. And one of my favorite parts of the SF5 is the Smith Machine. Again, it's a Selectorized Smith Machine. And what that means is, instead of using free weights, we're actually using the weight stacks for weight plates. So what we do to use it is we just take it, we're gonna unlock the Smith, we're gonna drop it down into place, and right now you'll notice the bar goes up and the weight stacks don't. But if I wanna add weight, I just slide the little red tab over on both sides, and I've now added the weight to the Smith bar, so when the bar moves, the weights move. Now, if I want to get in and do like a squat, for example, it's very quick and easy. I step in, rotate the bar, and you'll notice we have those counterbalance carriages, so it makes it really easy to make this adjustment into that new position, lock into place, and there's my squat. Now I've got a squat. From there, when I'm done, I can rotate it again, unlock it, bring it up nice and easy. And again, with those counterbalanced carriage, it makes it really easy to move this up and down to different starting positions. Now, the other nice thing about what we did here with the SF5 is we actually added a weight multiplier. A lot of people, when they're doing squats, they're doing bench press, the 150-pound stacks aren't enough weight. So by adding the weight multiplier, which is taking this cable and putting it right on top of these hooks here, I'm actually getting full weight of that 165-pound stack on both sides. So if I do that here, I've now just taken the half weight of that single cable, I've added the secondary cable to give me the full weight of both weight stacks. So that equates to about a 330-pound bench or squat utilizing this Smith bar. Now, Some other cool, nice little features, of course, you'll see up top. We have your traditional pull-up bar, but we also have these rock climbing handles. So that's really gonna help you with your grip, your strength, any other types of movements you wanna do. And one of the best parts about purchasing an Inspire product is you get access to Chris Hemsworth's team of experts, where they can walk you not only through nutrition, workouts, mindfulness, you name it. It gives you a full offering of wellness. So it's really gonna help you utilize this Inspire SF5. For more information, please check out our website.